Hi class, let's take a look at example 5, and we have to be careful on example 5 because they want the y-axis and they're actually giving us all the information in terms of the function for the x-axis. So we're going to have to adjust it, and then just so we take a look at what region we're looking at, let me provide a basic sketch, and technically this one's just going to be from 0 to 1. So let me just put a actual dotted line, but this is the portion that we're actually interested on. So it's just this portion here, which is going to give us this sort of a cone for the surface area. So in this case, let me write the formula. So S is going to be equal to the integral from 0 to 1 of 2 pi, and it'll be x of y times the square root of 1 plus x prime of y squared dy. And if you have y is equal to x to the third, in order to put it in the right format, we're going to have to cube it. So we're going to end up with an actual x is equal to a y to the third power, x prime of y is equal to a 3, y to the second, x prime of y squared is equal to 9, y to the fourth. So this is actually the portion that we're gonna need, and let me actually rewrite it. I'm going to extract the 2 pi since we don't need it, so it'll be 2 pi integral from 0 to 1 of y to the third, and then 1 plus 9y to the 4 dy. So from this point on, we can do a u substitution, and this one's going to work very similar to the problem that we did with the parametric. So I'm just going to let u equal to 1 plus 9y to the fourth. So the u is equal to 36y to the third dy. So the u over 36y to the third is equal to dy. And then for the limits, when y is equal to 0, u is equal to 1 plus 9 times 0, or 1. Y is equal to 1, u is equal to 1 plus 9 times 1, or 10. So our new limits are going to go from 9 to 10. And let me just go to the next step so we can cancel and express everything as a y. So this is equivalent to a 2 pi integral from, no longer from 0. It's going to be from 1 to 10 of y to the third square root of u, and then du over 36y to the third. And this is the portion that worked almost the same as the parametric, the cancellation. So let me just put it on the next page. So we're looking at 2 pi, I'll put it 36 at the bottom, integral from 1 to 10 of the square root of u du, which we're going to get pi over 18, and then this will be u to the 3/2 divided by 3/2 from 1 to 10. So pi over 18 times 2 over 3, and then the limits are going to be 10 to the 3/2 minus 1, or pi over 27 times 10 to the 3/2 minus 1. And let me just obtain a decimal approximation. Okay, so this area, it's about 3.56 and it'll be units squared, units squared. And that's actually it. So we'll leave it like this.